story I'm about to share with you began at an early morning on a sunny Sunday afternoon. As I looked out my window that beautiful morning, to check the weather, I noticed a peculiar item waiting for me on my balcony floor. It was a container, a cagette of some sort for a small animal. But who left it there? I was determined to have a closer look. My curiosity wanted to also touch. And within a wee moments of my early morning, I made one of the most difficult and ridiculous decisions I had ever made in my life that I would pay for the rest of my life. But I had to see what was inside of it. With care and diligence, I searched the innards of this container, and finding nothing, my mind was boggled. For the time being, I decided to discard the item to the side and continue with my normal business, thinking no more of this strange parcel that was left by an unknown visitor. The strangeness of the entire event meant nothing to me, so I never paid any more attention. Another grave mistake. Something was going on in that box. Out of the day, I was watching some telly like a normal afternoon, and no clue what type of beast entered my boat. Out of pure horrific fear, I did not know what more to do than to escape to the safety of my own room. My legs would not work for me. I drug myself like a helpless elk escaping a ravaged beast in the Sahara open desert. Days went by. I continued to go to work, trying to live a normal life, but the fears of this ghastly creature living within my apartment haunted me. I seen it daily, yet my roommate thought of me as a lunatic. He had not seen this cat. Was it in my mind? Again, my presence, and this time my roommate is in its presence. He has to see it. This is him. Look, he's there. There's the cat. He doesn't see him. He's right there. He doesn't see him. He's right there. I scream. He doesn't see him. I am going insane. I tell myself the next time that I lay eyes upon this beast, I'll have to touch it. I have to verify its physical existence. I am not crazy. My time comes. I am hesitant. My fear overwhelms me. As I touch the softness of its mane, I realize this animal is here. It is a living being. It is here. I'm not crazy. And from fears to acceptance to pure friendship, this was my friend. I was in beautiful bliss. I was in heaven. Heaven built in the depths of hell. I could no longer stand dormant. I was feeding a cat according to my roommate. Never existed to begin with. He teased me as if I was a crazy person. Bullied me. A accused me of saying that I'm eating the food. I laid the food out so I could lay on all fours and eat it like an animal. But no, that wasn't enough. He had to accuse me of pooing in the box I laid out for the sweet little cat every day, as if that was my own personal toilet, and I was not poorly trained to use a normal toilet. He was harsh. I had no idea what else to do. With this cat in my mind. Clearly in front of me, yet I was totally my mind, I was losing my mind, and there was nothing else I could think of doing. And with that, I was done. It was done. I was done. What have I done? What have I done? The blood, there's so much blood. It was my blood. There was no cat. In the end, clearly there was no cat. I determined to have had a breakdown from the high stresses of work, and actually I'm happier now. My mind is simple.